Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on the application of Facebook. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Facebook and you can click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.